Today, we're gonna talk about the 5 worst kitchen trends these days. I have a bonus kitchen trend that you don't wanna miss. It will be at the end of this video, so please watch it. I know how it goes. You are probably watching on Pinterest or Facebook or on House, or you are online or watching TV, trying to get some ideas on what's in right now and what's out. But be warned. Some of these pictures and ideas look perfect in the pictures or online, and you're thinking, oh my God, my kitchen is gonna look great. But be careful because some of these trends are outdated. Some of these features and upgrades may not suit your taste or your character or the layout of your kitchen or the layout of your house. So, just a warning. The last thing you want to do is regret upgrading these kitchen styles and kitchen remodels based on secondhand knowledge, and then you regret spending all the money and the time, and it may even affect the resale value of your home should you decide to sell in the next 3, 4, 5 years. So let's talk about the first dead trend. It is matte black hardware. Used to be, and even now it is being advertised and pushed, but it is outdated, it is saturated. Everywhere there are black knobs, black appliances. In fact, when I remodeled my house 5 years ago, I bought black stainless steel appliances. So now I'm not sure if I like it, and I paid a lot of money just to have that black color in my house. Matte black was bold, was trendy, but now it's everywhere, and I'm not sure if it's too hip these days. For years, matte black handles and faucets were the go-to for that modern look, but designers agree it's officially oversaturated. Instead of adding a unique touch to your kitchen, it's now the default choice, making spaces look generic. The better move if you want to remodel your kitchen is go to the finishes that add warmth and color to your kitchen, like brushed nickel for sophistication. Polished nickel is back for a timeless guarantee and timeless elegance. Or even copper. Yes, copper is coming back in style. These metals have been around for centuries and won't go out of style anytime soon. So are you thinking about a sleek modern kitchen? Dump the matte black, go with the copper or the brass or the brushed nickel. Or some are even choosing concrete countertops if that is your style. The number 2 trend that is going out of style, is becoming outdated, are those pot fillers. I personally hate those pot fillers. I go to a lot of custom homes to show homes or to preview homes, and when I see those big faucets right behind the stove, I kind of don't like it at all personally, but that's my taste. But overall, pot fillers have been an issue. First of all, when you install those, they become expensive because you have to pull a second line or a water line behind the stove or behind the wall. Second thing is it may create leaks. Then you may have to change the whole wall behind, or if you have decorative items or mosaic or a splash on the wall, all that has to be removed. So it's not the most convenient item, and also it's really an eyesore. You walk in the kitchen and the first thing you see is those pot fillers. And by the way, how practical are they? How many times do homeowners really cook those big pots and add water? Me personally, I have a boiling water kettle, and if I had to cook, not that I cook, if I had to cook a big meal with a lot of water, I would just fill that pot with that hot water from the kettle. Nice and convenient. Save yourself some headache. Pot fillers might look good, but they're more trouble than they're worth. Opt for another option. The third trend is marble and marble backsplashes. Yes, marble looks elegant, clean, white, and smooth, but they're hard to maintain and they're a pain in the you-know-what. Yes, marble looks incredible in photos, but in real life, it's one of the most delicate natural stones you can put in a kitchen. Even water can leave stains and acidic spills like lemon juice or wine. They cause permanent etching. So unless you love stress cleaning your counters, you might want to consider quartzite or granites, or even concrete countertops, which is trendy right now, and it's very cost efficient and cost effective. You may even consider porcelain countertops. These options mimic the veining and beauty of marble, but with far better durability and zero maintenance. The best part? No more panicking over very little spills in your kitchen, and we all spill water or milk all the time. The fourth trend that is dying is those integrated appliances. What that means is, I just showed a house yesterday, brand new Lennar home in Riverside County, and the microwave was built in. They have built-in shelves for coffee machines or cappuccino machines. So this trend may be good, may not be good. I remember way back 25 years ago when I bought my house, they had a built-in microwave. But when I moved in, it was not working. And when I took it out and went to buy a new one, there was no size that fit that frame of that microwave or that cabinet. So I had to buy a smaller microwave and then had to go buy a framing to put around the microwave. And that was a pain in the you-know-what. The fancy coffee machine you installed, in a few years, it'll be outdated. But replacing it isn't as simple as unplugging and swapping in a new one. You'll be looking at expensive cabinet modifications or even reconstruction work. Instead, designers recommend appliances garages or dedicated coffee bar spaces. These keep your appliances hidden but still accessible, and most importantly, easy to update when you need. Flexibility is the key when you are designing your kitchen. You want to design something that carries the resale value and lasts you for a long time without getting outdated. Drop a comment below on what you would upgrade or what you think are outdated kitchen trends right now. Please share with us. The fifth trend that is going out is those large and big eyesore kitchen islands. Bigger isn't always better, especially when it comes to kitchen islands. Social media loves showcasing giant kitchen islands that could seat a football team, but in real life, they ruin workflow, block movement, and make your kitchen harder to use. Just yesterday, I visited an open house in Anaheim Hills, $3.4 million, 4,000 square feet home. And the first thing I noticed when I went in the kitchen was this huge island. Not only that, at the end, they have an extension where you could put the stools and have lunch or dinner on those stools. And it took up a lot of space. When you look at the ratio of the island to the stove and where the refrigerator was, it was too big to handle. In fact, to go from one corner to your stove, you have to go around, and it took you a few seconds to get there. Not very convenient when you are actually cooking and you have to get to the refrigerator or to your faucets, or you have to go behind the island for anything. Instead of going oversized, consider a well-paced, right-size island or even two smaller islands. This keeps your space functional while still giving you room for seating and storage. Remember, your kitchen should be a place where you can cook and move efficiently, not just to look impressive in pictures and to impress your friends and family. Here's the bonus trend. Avoid ornate kitchen cabinets. Ornate cabinetry might look elegant, but designers are saying it's a big mistake. Stay away from those. They're no longer trendy and they're actually old-fashioned. In today's open concept homes, heavily carved cabinets make spaces feel busy and outdated. Plus all those intricate moldings, dust magnets. And here's the real problem. Cabinetry is one of the most expensive parts of a kitchen. Once you commit to a style, it's not easy to change it back. It'll cost you an arm and a leg to change it back. That's why designers are shifting towards shaker-style cabinets. They are timeless, elegant, and work in almost any kitchen. Want something modern? Slimline shaker or flat panel cabinets give you that clean, sophisticated look without the hassle of excessive detailing. Kitchen trends online may look elegant and fancy and something that you want, but when you decide you want something that's timeless, that's elegant, that is cost effective, and that is efficient when you actually cook. So be forewarned, talk to a couple of consultants before you make a decision. And don't forget to watch this video especially for you.